Hello, everybody. It's Teacher John's Circle Time again. Welcome to you, no matter where you are in the world. I'm so happy to see you today. Let us start with our hello song. Hello, hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, Noel. Hello, Noel. Hello, Santiago. Hello, Santiago. Hello, Henry. Hello, Henry. Hello, Jada. Hello, Jada. Hello, Alex. Hello, Alex. Hello, Jessica. Hello, Jessica. Hello, Brandy. Hello, Brandy. Hello, Teacher John. Hello, Teacher John. Welcome to Circle Time. Again, I'm so happy to see you today. I hope you are well. The first thing I want to do with you today is to sing the song called Bingo. And if you haven't heard this song before, well, let me get something. Bingo is a dog, and here is the way you spell his name. B-I-N-G-O. And when we sing the song, we're going to get rid of some letters when we're singing, and we're going to clap instead. So here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, and Bingo was his name. Oh, that was great. You did a wonderful job. The next thing on our list of things to do at Circle Time today is learning about the letter J. Here is the letter J, the big J and the little j. J is in many words. And here are some of the words: jar, jam, and jump. Sometimes you might get some jam from a jar, and you might be so happy after you eat that you will jump. So how do we make the letter J? Well, I have today a red pen and my clipboard and paper. And I like to start J at the top. This is the big J or capital J. And I like to come down and then make a hook. And then I put a little hat on top of his head, like that. And that's the capital J. And now for the small j. And the small j goes underneath the bottom of the big J, like this. Another hook. And instead of a hat, I give him a little dot. Capital J, small j. Practice on your own, and don't worry if you can't make it yet. You can draw anything you want. And thank you, children, for sending me pictures of things that you have made. I'm going to share them at the next circle time. One more time. Capital J, small j. Letters come in many different sizes. Practice them any way that works for you. And when you're finished, if you're using a marker or a pen, don't forget to put the top back on. The next thing we have at circle time today is the game What's Missing? Some of you are very good at this game. So here we go. Today's objects. We have jam. We have a house. We have a ball. Kind of looks like a beach ball. And we have an igloo. An igloo is a house made of ice. So here we go. Getting the objects ready. We have an igloo, a ball, a house, and some jam. Okay, what is missing? That's right. I heard somebody say it. The house is missing. Here we go. Let's do it again. Another one. So we have an igloo, a ball, some jam, and a house. Which one is missing? Da, 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 da. Which one is missing? Ah, yep, that's right. The ball is missing. Very good. Here's the ball. It was missing. One more time. Okay, so we have a jam, a house, an igloo, and a ball. Okay. Which one is missing? Very good. I heard somebody say a house is missing and the jam is missing. Two things are missing this time. So just to finish up this game of What's Missing, we had an igloo, a ball, some jam, and a house. Good job, everybody. Practice that game with your friends or with your family. Well, thank you so much for being here today. I'm always happy to see you. And parents, please write me if you want me to share your child's name or if you have any questions or comments. It's time to say goodbye for now, and we sing Happy Trails. Here we go. Happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you. I'm glad you are my friend. Happy trails, my friends. Have a wonderful day.